Alright, this problem is asking us to calculate the moment of the airplane and determine what category it's in. So based on the moment, we'll use this chart to determine if it's within limits, a normal category, can be operated as normal category, or operated as utility category aircraft. So what we'll start out with the basic weight times arm. So we've got weight times arm equals moment. And in this case, they're giving us moment information in moment divided by 1,000. So the aircraft weighs 1,350 pounds, and the moment divided by 1,000 is 51.5. Rear seat passengers, 310 pounds. We'll have to look up the moment for that. Or front seat passengers, pilot and front seat. Rear seat is 96 pounds. And in fuel, they've given us fuel. So I'll do airplane, front seat, rear seat, fuel, and oil. Fuel is given us in 38 gallons. And remember, 1 gallon of avgas is equal to about 6 pounds. So we have to do 83 gallons times 6 pounds per gallon, and that's going to give us 228 pounds. The other fuel, the other weight you'll have to memorize is the weight of oil. And oil is 7.5 pounds per gallon. And in this case, we're told we have 8 quarts of oil. Well, there's 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So that means we have 2 gallons of oil. 2 gallons of oil times 7.5 pounds per gallon is going to be 15 pounds of oil. So now we need to look at this chart and determine the moment of each of these. So if we go to about 310 and draw a line straight across till it intercepts the pilot and front passenger, and then we draw a line straight down from that point, that's going to give us about 11.5 for the moment. So front seat, 11.5. Rear seat, we're going to draw from 96 pounds, so pretty close to 100, drawing straight across till we hit the rear seat passenger, then drawing a line down from where that intercepts. That's going to give us to about 5, 6, 7. About 7 moment for rear seat. And then fuel, what they do is for fuel, there are certain standard increments. So this one has a standard increment of 20, 30, 38, and 40. So we don't have to draw a line straight across for the weight, because we can see right here that for 38 gallons, it's going to be straight down from this line, and that's going to be right at about 11 across the bottom. So fuel is going to be about 11, and oil moment's given to us at -0.2. So now once we have that information, we can determine the moment and the center of gravity. So go to the E6B, we're going to do weight and balance, and we are given weight and moment information. So I'm going to start with the aircraft, 1350, and the moment is 51.5. Reduction factor 1. Enter again. Weight front seat passenger is 310. Moment is 11.5. And again, rear seat 96 pounds. Moment 7. Fuel 228 pounds. Moment is 11. And then oil is 15 pounds. And then we have a negative moment, so we do 0.2 negative. Enter. So that gives us a total moment of 0.8. So this is the total moment divided by 1,000. And then we have a gross weight of 199. So we're going to carry that information down here. So gross weight 199, and then moment 80.8. So we're going to draw a line across for the gross weight, and it's just shy of the 2,000 here, so somewhere along this line. And then for moment 80.8, so 80, it's going to be just shy of 81, so I'll draw a line straight up from here. And so what we see is that it's just barely on the inside of the area that's allowed for utility category. So the answer, calculate the moment of the airplane. So the moment is 80.8, and then determine which category it's applicable. It's really difficult to see exactly which category it is, but in this case, they're wanting to see how accurate we've been on this. So this, if we can see and somewhat assume that this red line tip goes all the way to 81, and that it comes all the way up to, this line going straight across goes all the way out to 2,000 pounds. Well, we know we are below 2,000, so we are assuming we're below this red line. And then if this goes all the way to 81, we know we are just inside of 81. So based on this chart and where it appears these lines are extending out to, we would be just inside of the utility category.